Welcome to aPriori Academy. Learn how to use aPriori with training that's available 24/7, 365 days a year. aPriori Academy is the next evolution of aPriori product training, where users complete training modules, hands-on labs, and quizzes on their own time and schedule. This is self-paced online training, always on tap. Build, hone and expand your skills step by step. Interactive video and practical-based courses backed by documentation, instructors and a wealth of applied knowledge. Knowledge checks to self-assess. Use aPriori in real time via a playbox. Real experience in aPriori using CAD files. Interactive labs. Deeper questions, book one-to-one time with experienced instructors directly from the Academy. Self-contained learning paths guiding you to deeper understanding with practical experience. Whatever your aPriori learning needs, AP Academy is here for you whenever you need it. aPriori Academy, the next evolution of aPriori training.